Hello friends, today in Maths Chapter 2 Linear Equation in one variable, we will study exercise 2.4 question 6 to 10. So question 6 is given, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in a Maholi village. The length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So here the length and breadth ratio is given 11:4. So length divided by breadth is given 11:4. That is means length is equals to 11x and breadth is equals to 4x. Now fencing of the plot means boundary of the plot, and boundary of the plot means the perimeter. The perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 11x plus 4x. So 2 into 15x, that is 30x. So boundary is the 30x meter. Now we are given the per meter cost is the 100. So we have the 30x meter. So 1 meter cost equals to rupees 100 and 30x meter cost equals to 30x into 100, that is 3000x. And so it is 3000x, but this is the total cost, and total cost is given 75,000, and so 3000x equals to 75,000. So x is equals to 75,000 divided by 3000. These are cancelled, 0, so 75 divided by 3, 25, and so length is equals to 11 into 25. That is 250 plus 25, 275, and breadth is equals to 4 into 25, that is 100. We have the question 7. Hassan buys two types of cloth materials for the school uniform. Shirt material cost him rupees 50 per meter, and trouser material cost rupees 90 per meter. And so for every 3 meter of shirt material, he buys 2 meter of trouser. So he sells the material at 12% and 10% profit respectively. Then his total sale is 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So here two types material is there, shirt material and trouser material. So their cost per meter is given. For the shirt material it is rupees 50, and for the trouser it is rupees 90. Now purchase is given. Purchase material that is 2 meter and 3 meter of shirt. So it is given in the ratio 3:2 and 3:2. So shirt will be 3x and trouser will be 2x, because only for one shirt it is given 3 meter, then one pant trouser 2 meter. But here how many meters? So 3x and 2x. Now so total cost equals to what? 50 into 3x, it is 150x. And here 90 into 2x, it is 180x. Cost of the material, as we know that with the per meter price we multiply, we get the cost. Now here it is given profit of 12% and 10%. So profit is there. So here 12% of 150x, and here it is given 10% of 180x. So it will be 12 by 100 into 150 x, and here 10 by 100 upon 180 x. 0 zeros cut, here 0 cut, 5 3s are 5 2s are 2 6 are. So profit is 18x, and here also 18x. So now selling price of short material will be cost price plus profit. So 150x plus 18x, and here 180x plus 18x. So this will be 8 6 168x, and this will be 8 9 190x. And so total sales equals to 168x plus 198x, which we sell x 8 and 8 16 carry 1, 6 1 7 9 16 carry 1, 366x. So the total sale is given 366x, and it is price is given 366x is equals to 36,600, as total sale is given 36,600, and so x is equals to 36,600 divided 366. So we simplify, it gives 100, so x is equals to 100. So we get x is equals to 100, and so short material will be 3x, so 3 into 100 300 meter, and trouser material will be 2 into 100, it will be 200 meter. We have the next question 8. Half of the herd of a deer are grazing in the field, and there are 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So here we don't know how many deers are there, but one herd is there, in that some deers are there. So read the number of deer equals to x. Now here half the deer are grazing in the field, so the number of deer grazing in the field is half, means x by 2. Now here it is said 3/4 of the remaining, so remaining deer are from the total deer we minus the grazing deer, so x by inverse x by 2, so it is x by 2, and that 3/4 are playing nearby, so playing nearby, number of playing nearby deer will be 3/4 of x by 2, it is 3x by 8, and the drinking water are 9. Drinking water are 9. So this all X grazing field, playing nearby, and drinking water total we take. It should be X, and so we take the total X by 2 plus 3X by 8 plus 9. That will be total will be X. So here 8 and 2 LCM is 8. So we multiply by 8. Then 8 into X by 2 plus 8 into 3X by 8 plus 9 into 8 equals to 8x. So 8 cancel, 2 4 ja. So 4x plus 3x 7x plus 72 equals to 8x, and so 72x is equals to 72, and so there are the 72 deers in the herd. Now your question 9 is given. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. So the relation between grandfather and granddaughter age is given. So we take the age of granddaughter equals to x. And grandfather is 10 times older than her, so age of grandfather will be 10 into x, 10x. Now grandfather is 54 years older than the her, means these two age difference we take, it will be 54, and so 10x minus x is equals to 54. So 9x is equals to 54. So x is equals to 6. Now x is equals to 6. So age of granddaughter will be 6, and age of grandfather will be 10 into 6, it is 60. Now next question 10 we have. Aman says is 3 times his son says. 10 years ago relation is given. He was 5 times of his son says. Find the present age. So in present, let Aman says Aman's son is equals to x. So Aman's age will be 3 times of son says, so 3x. Now 10 years ago, so 10 years ago, Aman's son's age is 3x minus 10, because in past we want to go, so we have to minus the 10, and Aman's age will be, son's age will be x minus 10, and Aman's age will be 3x minus 10. Now on that time relation is given. He was 5 times of son, so 3x minus 10 is equals to 5 into x minus 10. So 3x minus 10 is equals to 5x minus 50. So 50 will transfer this side. So 5x minus 3x equals to 50 minus 10. And so it is 2x equals to 40. So x is equals to 20. And so son's age will be, Aman's son age will be x, so 20 years, and Aman's age will be 3 into x, 3 into 20, it will be 60 years.